Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an animated poster in CapCut PC. So stop creating boring still images and start creating dynamic scroll-stopping visual are perfect for social media teasers, ads, or just showing off your design skill. Here I'm going to use CapCut AI to create animated or animation poster. So what you need to do in here, just go to the create AI design options on a CapCut PC in the left side panel here. And then in the inspirations tab, you can scroll down until you find the animated poster options. This one. So in here you can see the prompt design a poster in the style of a Disney animated movie. Transform the person in the image into a Disney princess character with the overall composition, colors, and decorative elements matching the look and feel of an official Disney animation poster. Here you can click on a few more and then you can just click on make it yours or playback in here. I'm going to use this make it yours options or playback. So if you want to upload your own image here, you can just delete the current image, then tap on the plus button, choose from this device and upload the image that you want to turn into the poster. Click on open and then you can just tap on submit in here. Then CapCut AI will design your poster within seconds or minutes. So you can just wait until the result is out. So the result is done and here is the result. You can preview it by clicking on the picture. You can zoom in if you want to using the slider just like this. And if you want to download it to your device, you can tap on this download button. Click on download and you can also edit it again by clicking on the edit elements. And if you want to make it talk, you can use the CapCut AI avatar feature so that the person will be talk or sing in a poster. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video.